Today, we are in Hanover, Pennsylvania. They got something going on today, an old-time street fair. But let me tell you, Hanover's got two of my favorite places to eat. Not only at the street fair, but in town. I'm going to show you those as well. Let's get into this street fair tour. Welcome to the snack fair. Alright, did you ever hear of a snack street fair? Well, they got one in Hanover. All the snacks you can want. And a lot of them they're just giving away. A street fair just for snacks. Like I said, it's all free here. Live music, it's about to start. One reason they have this street festival is because it is a snack capital of the world. There are so many snack chips made here in Hanover. Look at this old delivery vehicle. Look at all these food vendors, food trucks. Just about anything you could want to eat is here in Hanover's street fair. There's the kettle corn. Up there's a place I love to have. Crab Cake Shack. Hand-rolled pretzels. Oh, and you gotta try this place. This is famous in Pennsylvania for their chicken on a stick. This is cool. A nacho truck. All kinds of different kinds of nachos. Oh, look at this fella here. He's awesome. Look at that. And you gotta get a funnel cake, right? Alright, look at this. Right here we are at the square in Hanover. And there's stands up and down every single street. Kona Ice over there. Oh, look at this place. This is the pastry place. I'll be getting some of these, I can tell you. Man, I tell you one thing. They got just about... Oh my, look here. The candied nuts machine. And look at all these whoopie pies they got. Just about everything. Getting some sun out today. I thought it was going to be a cloudy day, but I tell you one thing. It's a perfect day for a street fair, isn't it? And right up there is the famous hot wiener. Right off the square in Hanover is the famous hot wiener place. You will not have a better hot dog. I've been there so many times. I can't even count them. But it is a great place to eat. And I'll tell you one thing. I haven't been to the street fair in many years, but I think it's like tripled in size. There's something down every single street. Oh, these are cool. Look at those little lamps. And this tells you the history of one of the snacks companies, Utz potato chips. Alright, this is cool. And you can win snacks. And it's free. No losers today, for sure. Everybody gets free chips. This guy's enjoying the show right here. And let me tell you, I used to live in Hanover. There's so much history here in downtown Hanover. If you're in the Harrisburg, Allentown area, come visit this place. And look at those crab cakes. Amazing or what? And they smell amazing too.
You say I'm hell when I am
on, it's all about the food here in Hanover. Look at that. Man, if you could smell this, I'm getting one of these. Kettle corn. Everybody likes that stuff, but man, that's what I see. Chicken on a stick. That's some street food right there. Alright, look at this chicken stick. Does that look crazy or what? It's dripping. I'm hoping not to get this on me. Oh man. Fresh charcoal flavor. And it's actually, this thing dripping. It's dripping juice like crazy. It's time to finish eating this. Alright, look at this setup here. You gotta actually work for your snow cone. This guy's gonna grind his own ice, and then you pick your flavor here at the end. Alright, let's see what he's gonna do. Watch that shaved ice. Alright, that looks pretty crazy. And here comes his little icy. And there's the juice. Look at all this homemade maple syrup. The beer garden.
Coffee distillery at the very end.
Welcome to the craft beer alley.
All right, we're gonna play some Tom Petty. Why? Because I like Tom Petty. That's
Look
just the way
at
it's
this.
gonna be
This
right
is
now.
where you get your alcohol. Fat Bat Brewing Company on site. Look at this place. They do everything on site here. I tell you one thing, I'm coming back just to go here. Look at all those different flavors. I think we better get back to the snack tour. Look at all these, man. They are making the stouts right here. I tell you, just everything. There's so many different things in Hanover. You can just try them all out, but this one is amazing. Wow. This place is spectacular. I understand they do live music in here, but this is the tasting room or bar area. But man, it is awesome in here. Ah, look at this. I've seen this over here. Look at this view. All right, Hanover, you have done yourself this street fair. This is the snack food street fair in Hanover, snack food capital of the world. You can see, again, it's just so cool in Hanover today. Oh, and did I mention they got crafts? All kinds of craft stands here. Oh, look at that little camper. And I don't know, so I'm walking through this street fair, but look at these buildings behind. Like I said, there's a lot of history in Hanover. And make sure you're looking up at some of these buildings. All right, here is the famous Texas hot wiener lunch since 1920. Behind the scenes. Look at that old bank over there. Man, look at all this tie-dye stuff. That's cool, right? Like I said, there's a lot of history here. Look at this old building they turned into an Italian market. I might have to walk into this. Yeah, look at these desserts in the Italian place. Pretty cool place. They even got a sitting area up here. How cool is that? Big Bird and Cookie Monster. There they are. My God, look at this. Licorice ropes. That is crazy. This street fair just, it goes on and on and on. My gosh, I'm not sure I can find my vehicle. I made so many turns in this street fair. Anybody want to play Scrabble? Look at all these Scrabble letters. And this looks like a really cool place, a little coffee shop. Merlin's. Look at this. This is the old movie theater in Hanover. It's sold. I hope they're gonna bring it back to life. Alright, I'm seeing bubbles up here. Look at all these people getting snack foods. Alright, I think it's time. It is time to get that milkshake I saw back there. There it is. The vanilla bean milkshake I've been looking forward to all day. Man, it is super creamy. Alright, these are some of the best donuts you will ever have. Ziggy's Donuts. I'm hoping to get some of these. Look at those pretzels, grilled pretzels.